you actually created your own desirability formula that has some kind of pillars to strategically assess whether that brand is the to be desired or not. Can you explain that a bit more?
I mean, yes. Well, how daring of me to create my own formula. Who am I? But yes, I did. I mean, I'm sure it has lots of flaws, but it is my formula and it is the way I see it. And it all started one day. It was maybe a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. I can't, yes, 2 years ago, approximately. I was on the internet. I'm always looking for information about luxury markets. And I was surfing the internet, and by accident, I bumped into a video interview of Mr. Bernard Arnault to Bloomberg channel, TV channel. Mr. Bernard Arnault, the CEO and chairman of LVMH Group, the leading conglomerate in luxury business. And the Bloomberg journalist asked Mr. Arnault, in China, in Asia in general, but especially in China, many luxury brands are decreasing sales, or were decreasing sales back then, 2 years ago. But not LVMH brands. In fact, LVMH brands have increased sales in China in 2018 by about 15%, whilst other brands, namely Gucci and other Italian brands, were decreasing sales back then. And so the journalist asked Mr. Arnault, in your opinion, why is that you are increasing sales whilst your competitors, mainly the Italian competitors, are decreasing sales? And he said, I believe that it is about the desirability of LVMH brands. And that got me thinking. I switched off the video and I started thinking, how do you build desirability? If desirability is such an important ingredient to make you sell 15% more, to grow sales by 15 to 20%. So how do you build desirability? And I started thinking, and eventually about 5 to 6 weeks later, it took me about a month and a half to think. And I started reflecting upon it and taking my notes slowly. And on the following morning, I would go back to my notes of the previous day and I would erase it. No, it's not it. And then I would rephrase it and reformulate it. And in the end, after 6 weeks, I came up with this formula and I shot a video. So I invite you to go to my YouTube channel and watch the video. How do you build desirability? And you have all the details there. But I will not mention the details now, but I will tell you that in my opinion, you need, in order to build desirability, you need 3 pillars. And then each of the pillars will divide in more deeper and specific information, which you can watch in the video. And the first pillar is creativity. You need creativity in order to foster innovation, differentiation, and uniqueness, in order to wow the customer, surprise the customer. So creativity is key. You need design. Why design? To create your own aesthetical universe, to create beauty. We were just telling a moment ago that beauty is so important. I mean, taste is the appreciation of beauty and the understanding of beauty. So you need beauty in your products and in your brand universe, and you need to create your own aesthetical universe. That is why the role of the artistic director, the creative director in a luxury brand is so important. Because they create all the universe of aesthetics that you need to develop beauty, because then beauty will drive you crazy. Beauty is magnetic and will draw you in and sell. And last but not the least is the third pillar is brand equity. All luxury brands are creators of value, of incredible value, and their equity and meaning. But meaning is there. Meaning is there. So how do you build brand equity? With meaning, with exclusivity, with symbology, with icons, with associations with art and culture, with consistent marketing communication, not advertising, but mainly personal interactions and very exclusive, refined private events. And so, but it's all in the video. But yes, this is my formula to build desirability, creativity, design, and brand equity.